Somebody wanted a stick for catapult launch aeroplanes, so I designed one. Very simple. We're only talking small catapult launch aeroplanes. Somewhere to hold your thumb, stop it slipping up to the top, and a little bit there to help grip it. Obviously it'll be different if your hands are smaller, but that should work for me. So, a couple of rubber bands on it, just for demonstration purposes. Through the hole. Through the loop. Thumb just there. That works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.